Good evening to all my awesome friends. Let's all join in with creative thinking. It's an awesome channel I've been following for a couple of years, and I decided to start joining in with them about saving money, saving pocket change, thinking of little ways that we can save a little bit of money and see what we can have at the end of the year. I'm saving for a cruise with my grandchildren to have an awesome family vacation, going on an awesome Disney cruise. That's where my money's going. Let's see how well Grandma has managed to save her money. This challenge I started at the beginning of the year, saving my pocket change, and now I'm putting $100 a month with the pocket change because I need to save $2,000 for this cruise. And I want to give myself this year and next year to do it. Well, let's see what Grandma did.
Well, here we are. I just turned in my change and it came to, I got a 20, I got a 10, makes 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. $38 from my change for the month of July. And then I took $100 out of my budget, the money I earn every month, and put another $100 in, as you can see. So $138 for July. You know, we just save our pennies and see how it adds up. The $38 doesn't sound like much, but if you start adding it up at the end of a year, it could be quite a little bit. But because I'm trying to save for a cruise, a Disney cruise no less, you know how expensive they are, I had to save a little more. So I'm making, or I shouldn't say making, I'm putting $100 in every month out of my paycheck. So that brings it to $138. I realize that's still not a lot of money, but you keep adding it up, and hopefully at the end of this year I will have $1,000 saved. If not, I may have to throw a little extra in December. We will see. But the cruise is going to be about $2,000, so I need to have $1,000 this year and $1,000 for next year. And hopefully next year we'll see how it goes. I might try to throw in maybe an extra $10 or $25 every month to make sure I go over the $2,000. Let's see how much I can save this year. I'm still saving for dental work, and it's hard to save any more money than what I'm already saving. But we'll see what I can do. I've already paid for one procedure to be done, and now I'm saving for the second one. But I have a lot more to go, so I have dental work for quite some time, maybe another couple of years of saving money for it. Well, we just do the best we can if we don't want to wear dentures. So, what do you think? $138 this month we put in savings. I'll give you the grand total at the end of this video. Keep in mind, save, save, save. And if you save a little every month, you'll be amazed at what you'll have at the end of the year. And then you can do something fun you want to do, or buy something you really need that really is too expensive just to pull out of a regular budget. We'll see what I'll save for after next year. I think I'm going to start saving for a second cruise. My oldest granddaughter wants me to go to Hawaii with her, or to Alaska, and both of those cruises are going to be about $4,000 or $5,000. Since I've already done both of them, and I know they can be expensive, I'm not quite sure how they want to do it and how long they want to go. They were talking long cruises, and both of those cruises were pretty long. I think they were like 15 days and one was 14 days. That's another reason why they were so much. But, you know, I love going on cruises, and I love spending time with my family. And I don't know when we're going on another cruise because I'm not going if I have to wear a mask. But the whole point is, I have the money in the bank and we can afford to go. Whenever those grandchildren say, let's go, Grandma can say, give me the date, I'm ready to go. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. Oh, forgot to tell you, don't hang up yet. Don't click off that off button. We still haven't gave you the total for the month.